guys, welcome back. Up next we're doing a breast lift. It's an in lift only. This patient doesn't want to have implants, doesn't want to get any bigger. She just wants to have a little more lifted breast. You can see she's very, very droopy. Now you think that they may droop all the way from up there. Really they're falling from where her breast fold is. Her breast fold is at this level, so they fall that much. You're gonna lift the breast fold above, move the nipple from here to up there. So it's gonna give her a nice procure look. Okay, so we're gonna remove the excess skin inside my skin pattern and removing the skin only, nothing else. No fat, no breast tissue, so this is not a breast reduction. The cuts, the incisions, the scars are very similar to a breast reduction, except here I'm simply removing skin, dermis, epidermis, and leaving everything else behind. And this is going to help reshape the skin envelope and hold up the breast tissue, because that's really what's holding things up. It's not, I can't really take your breast tissue and suture it to the chest wall or screw it or do anything like that, because it's eventually going to fall. So it's really just the envelope, the skin holding things up. We tighten up the skin. The problem is skin is elastic. Over time it will stretch and your breast will fall. Gravity always wins. So we remove the excess skin. Now I'm freeing up the pedicle on which the nipple stays attached, and I'm just cover it up, but I'm lifting it up. You can see on the surface underneath the skin was yellow, that's fat, but deep inside all the white stuff, it's a very, very glandular tissue, and I'm cutting through the gland just to open it up. But this is solid gland, it's like a rock. And I'm just releasing it to allow the nipple to move up. What I wanted to demonstrate, come a little closer, is breast is made of fatty tissues and glandular tissue. This white stuff, this is breast gland, this is what creates milk. So you've got a very big chunk. This is all gland, a little bit of fat, so it's mostly glandular breast. So normal breast tissue is made of fat and actual glandular breast tissue. So a woman's breast is partly fatty, partly glandular. In this particular woman, there's a lot of glandular tissue. Some people have more fatty breasts, some people have more glandular breasts. So people have very fatty breasts, their breast can change in size when they gain or lose weight. People that have mostly glandular breasts, they don't change much because the breast gland doesn't fluctuate with weight gain, weight loss. Only fat does. So we have the patient out. We did the anchor type breast lift. You can see nice perky breast, nipples up. Her nipples were down here. Her nipples were actually, if you take a look, nipples were below the breast fold. This is her breast fold. They were down here. We moved them up there, reshaped the breast. Looks very nice. She's gonna be very happy. We are all done. Breast lift, anchor type breast lift, lift up nipples, reshape the breast. She is going to be looking perkier, nicer. She's going to be super, super happy.